back to the channel. March 31st, it's been raining all day and now we're going into a blizzard warning. Beautiful day to start calving. So as I was saying, guys, March 31st here. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. We ended up having our first calf this morning just before 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna get the side-by-side out of the shop. We got them locked up, so we're gonna bring water down in pails for the mama and probably end up working that calf right now or this afternoon quick and go from there. I've always had a neighbor that has one that I can borrow, but they say if you buy one of your own, you don't have to pull any calves that year. So we went out and bought everything. Really not that bad, couple $100 and you got everything on site to pull calves. These double action calf jacks are amazing if you haven't used them. Highly, highly recommend. As you can see, still plenty of snow on the ground. And they are talking 6 to 8 tonight for sure. There was a potential of 8 to 12, but I think that was supposed to be if this rain was all snow. So as I promised in last video, I'll show you what our purchase was. We are putting up another building. So comment down below, what do you think we're building? Might do a giveaway on giveaway video on that. Calves are doing good. They're gonna need more hay, but we'll go down and I'll show you guys the calf. I'm sure that's why most of you are here. Not ideal weather to start calving, but this is one of the big reasons why we have the setup we have. It's because you're less reliable or less reliant on good weather. Starting to rain again. Actually, it's more like ice. Up over the gate. She's still got about half her water. We'll bring a couple buckets just to make sure it's enough for the night. One more gate to jump. Hey mama, can we look at your baby? Good girl, mama. The chute actually acts as a nice protection. They like to hide in here. Hey buddy. He was not born in here, so we brought him here, I don't know, about 45, half hour after he was born. We were watching on the cameras. So we got him inside in the pen right away, and he was still pretty wet, starting to shiver a little bit. So I don't know if you've seen it's got bad lighting in here with the clouds, sun setting anyways, but we ended up having a horse cooler that works really good for drying them off. Pulls the moisture away but still breathes. So that's what you've seen behind him. And by the looks of her udder, he has been nursing on the front quarters, it looks like, for sure. So he has gotten his colostrum. Jeez, hail and thunder. Hey buddy. Easy, Mom, you're okay. We're gonna get out of here. Calf is tagged, and we got scour gel in them just for protection. We do that with all our calves, and threw a band on them. Like I said, we're just feeding Mama now. Make sure they got water and alfalfa baleage and a little bit of dry hay, and they're gonna stay in this pen overnight. The weather is getting really nasty out there. Rain, sleet, hail, snow. And looks like tomorrow morning though the weather's supposed to change, and I think it's supposed to be 40 something tomorrow. So these guys will get out, and hopefully on to a good start to calving season. So many more to hit the ground, and just hoping for a safe, healthy, and enjoyable calving season. So the weather is nasty, but we're doing what we can do, and we have good facilities for this, so everything should be fine. Give you one more look at them. You're okay, Mama. Good girl. Good girl. That's gonna wrap this video up. As you can see, not ideal time or weather to be calving, but we're gonna make the best of it, do the best we can, and that'll be it. So I'm gonna get this video guys edited for you guys tonight, and it'll be tomorrow's video, April 1st. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow along for more, and we will talk to you later.